Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Shirini Nokhodchi. Basically, these are chickpea cookies. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to start by placing in 200 grams of softened melted butter into a bowl. To this we're going to add half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next we're going to add 2 cups of chickpea flour. And just using a hand beater, we're just going to mix this all together. And basically we want a result like that. Just a nice soft dough. Just like a cookie dough pretty much. Now guys, make sure it's not sticking. If it's sticking, add a bit more flour. If it's not nice and smooth like this, add a bit more butter to it. But we need to be able to knead it just like that. So what we're going to do is just roll it into a smooth ball, place it into a container, cover it with some cling wrap, and we're going to put this straight into the fridge for about half an hour. In the meantime, we'll start to preheat our oven to about 160 degrees Celsius. So guys, after 30 minutes, just take it back out of the fridge and leave it out for about 5 to 10 minutes just so it comes back to room temperature. Now in the meantime, line a baking tray with some baking paper. So once that's at room temperature, we're just going to flour our work surface. I'm obviously using chickpea flour again. By doing this, we're also keeping it gluten-free as well. And we'll just place our dough straight here. I'm going to get ourselves a rolling pin and just slowly roll this out. Now guys, as for rolling, keep it about 1 centimeter thick. These aren't meant to be too thin. So what we're going to do now is use a cookie cutter to cut our shapes. So I'm just using a very simple cookie cutter, as you can see. A lot of the time star shapes are used, or 4 leaves and so on. So that's really up to you. At the end of the day, it's going to taste the same. So what we're going to do is just cut our shapes out. Once we cut them out, we're going to place them onto our baking tray. Now once your leftover cookie dough looks like that, obviously we're going to re-ball it and roll it again. Don't waste it. You can still get a decent amount of cookies out of that. So firstly, roll it back into a bowl and carefully roll it up. And don't forget to keep it a centimeter. So you should end up with something like that. So what I'm going to do now is just place some crushed pistachios onto each one. Now just try to crush these as fine as possible. So we want something like that. So provided your oven is preheated, we're going to go ahead and put this straight in. Now at 160 degrees Celsius, this will take around 15 to 18 minutes to bake. Alright, so I've just pulled them out of the oven. And as you can see, they're nice and golden brown and beautiful. So we'll let them cool down there for about 10-15 minutes, then we can serve. Alright, and there we have them. I've just plated them up and they're ready for my customers to enjoy. So storage wise guys, keep them in an airtight container. You should easily get 1 or 2 weeks out of this. And as you can see, it's very straightforward. And don't forget they are also gluten free, so anybody can have them. I hope you like that guys. Please like, subscribe and share. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.